Hey guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video, as you can see by the title below, is going to be a makeup look. I haven't done these in a very long time. Obviously, all of us know we're in isolation, so I'm so excited to do my makeup. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for today at all, but let's just see how it goes. I definitely want to just experiment with my everyday makeup routine and just see if I still got the hang of it, but also a few things that I could probably switch up. So let's just see how it turns out. But if you do want to see how it goes and what the look ends up being, then just keep watching. Bye! So to start off, I'm going to be using my NYX color corrector. This is in the deep palette and I have something on it. I'm going to be putting it around my mouth as I've already started. You don't want to put too much because I don't want it to peek through the foundation. I've got the color corrector around my mouth area. I would put it underneath my eyes, but the only thing is that I find that it does end up being a bit tacky underneath the eyes and then makes it dry, and then when I put my foundation on, it's not as flawless and smooth. Next step is foundation. So I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. This is in the shade Tahoe and it is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Shake it up a little bit. It's been a while. I mean, it's probably all clogged up, so I'm going to be putting probably like 4 pumps. I do have acne scarring, as most of you can probably see, but I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender, and because I have excess on the beauty blender, I'm just going to be pushing it onto both sides quickly. And I take long with this part because I want that foundation to sit as smoothly on the skin as possible. So I'm just going to give my problem areas just another rundown with the foundation, so another layer of foundation. So I'm just taking a wet wipe, just taking off the foundation that got onto my lips, just because like I find that once my natural lip color comes out, I can actually tell if my color corrector has done its job by taking away that darkness and making my foundation look too ashy. I really wanted to use this Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade 10.5, but I do find that it is a little bit more light. Because this is like a makeup break, guys. I don't think this concealer is right already. This concealer does have like a scent to it, like it's quite strong. I'm just gonna do my under eyes first and then blend it out with my beauty blender and see how it turns out. And so I'm using the pointy end. Was I meant to be using this all along but decided not to because I was like, it's not right. I'm going to be going in with my Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Kunafa, or if that's how you say it. Yeah, and I'm going to be baking underneath my eyes just for a little bit and then setting the rest of my face with. Okay guys, I know I look super scary right now. I've just gone and put my powder underneath my eyes. I had to go to my mirror because I really needed to do this part properly. This is the only part that I'm very particular about, because this is the part that actually makes your skin look flawless. Otherwise it's just gone all wrong. So I've just gone and put the powder around my mouth, on top of my lip, and I've also gone towards my jawline as well, and then I've just put some on my forehead and on top of my brows as well. And I'm just going to blend the powder underneath my eyes out. So I'm just going to be putting any lip balm on. And now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer. So Revolution bronzer in the shade number 2 Warm, and it looks like that. I take a brush like this and I start off on my forehead like that, very lightly. I do not go crazy with this. Some more onto my chin as well. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera because there's nothing special about it. It's totally still not Instagram worthy. Basically, I just filled in the sparse areas, that's all. I didn't really go too crazy with it. But let's just move on to eyes now. Okay, so I've just zoomed you guys in just a little bit just to show you what I do with my eyes. So I'm just taking a brush like this and I'm just going to be blending out my shadow in my crease. And this is just to warm it up a little bit, and just do a circular motion in the corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And totally not talk while doing this. Yeah, minus the smudges, that is pretty much it for my eyes. So I'm going to move on to lips now, and I'm going to keep it pretty natural. So I'm going to be taking this very worn out packaged lipstick, which is a NYX lipstick. This is in the shade Beacon. So I'm going to be taking this shade onto my finger, and I don't use it directly onto my lips. I only use a little bit on my finger just so I can put it on the edges to bring out that natural line that I have going on. And then I'm going to be taking this Urban Glory matte lip color. Oh, like that. Hello. Okay, there we go. And this is in the shade Cocoa Berry or Choco Berry, something like that. And it looks like this. It's a very hot pink, Barbie pink color. And I'm just putting this in the center of my lips just to bring it out a little bit more. And then I am going to be taking my NYX Butter Gloss, again, not sponsored, and I'm going to be taking it in the shade Madeline. This is like almost finished. I've had this for the longest time. Also, that Soap & Glory lip paint, thank you so much, Melisha, because that is from her. Absolute legend. And I'm just putting it in the center, just where you can see the light is actually hitting it naturally. That is where I'm going to keep it. I think that is it, you guys. So I'm gonna fix up this crazy ass hair and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got a few tips and tricks of your own. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any sort of criticism, good ones, or any sort of critique that you can give, please comment it down below and let me know. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Share my video if you wish. I just wanted to say thank you for those of you who did stop by to view this video. I really truly appreciate it. It means so much to me and helps me out so much. If you did like this video, give it a like. If there are any sort of things that you would like to know more about or ask me, leave the questions down in the comments below. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. This is the finished look. I think it turned out pretty okay. I don't really hate this concealer, actually. I think I will be doing a few more makeup videos as I go, maybe some more pop of color sort of things and more focusing on the eyeshadow look, so I'll already have my face makeup done. But if you want that to be a thing, give it a like. Yeah, just because obviously I'm not going to be doing any vlogs because we are not allowed to go out for non-essential things. So yeah, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!